Today we are going to learn about cleaning items. Bleach, stick broom, broom, dustpan, basket, hose, liquid spray, mop, hand wash, paper towel, sponge mop, sponge, spray cleaner, washing machine,